2021 Tesla Model X specs. The version X might be the greenest and one of the fastest means to carry up to 7 people over the hillside and also Dale. As the crossover cousin to the brand's renowned Model S sedan, the X is really practical, with all-wheel drive, a sophisticated cabin with an area for up to 7, as well as striking however fussy falcon wing doors. After years of delays and widespread conjecture, it's finally Maine the Design X has gotten here. In a real-time event at the business's manufacturing facility in Fremont, California, Tesla CEO Elon Musk directly distributed tricks to the first models off the production line, outlining the vehicle's functions as well as capabilities in the process. The Design X is mounted as an uber-safe, uber-clean, semi-autonomous, very functional, all-electric long-range SUV capable of embarrassing hardcore sports cars in a rating contest. That's a lot to chew on, also for the most turbulent car manufacturer on the block. Unlike Tesla's initial design, the Lotus Elise-based Roadster, Design X was developed entirely in-house using the existing Design S platform. However, unlike the car, this SUV can stay up to 7 passengers and bring an attic room's well worth of stuff, all while going 250 miles in a cost and hitting 60 miles per hour fast, adequate to make you see plaid. 2021 Tesla Model X specs. A raw and almost buttonless interior decoration is classic Tesla. A significant touchscreen infotainment system controls the control panel, and artificial leather covers every little thing from the seats to the door panels. The Model X's distinct windshield/glass roofing runs effortlessly from the base of the hood up over the front seat travelers for a virtually continuous view of what's in advance as well as what's above. Despite these whiz-bang attributes, the Model X's cabin leaves us desiring, particularly considering its rate can conveniently damage the 6-figure barrier, with nondescript air vents, misaligned panels, as well as flat-back seats that do not provide enough changes. The majority of buyers are looking more for technology features than deluxe, however, as well as the Design X can be optioned with the feature that is possibly one of the most buzzworthy, autopilot. 2021 Tesla Model X specs. Semi-autonomous driving setting utilizes a number of cameras, several sensors and radars to discover objects, people, and various other cars, and also uses them to guide the version X down the road under its very own power. The Model X likewise offers a summon feature that enables the customer to park or get the SUV from difficult situations while standing outside, an attribute that seems newfangled yet verified necessary thanks to the foolish top-hinged doors. Tesla's Falcon Wing doors established the version X apart from the Model S, as well as every other car, and also they obtain their own section in this evaluation. While they appear to be a trick and often seem like one, they're sometimes really helpful. To start with, you can't but feel they're created early adopters to flaunt at superchargers like peacocks. The entire procedure appears to take a while, and also the doors don't constantly open up in a smooth or uniform means, providing the impression they're rather lightweight. That's an embarrassment, due to the fact that there were times when the doors actually came in useful. When parked close to various other automobiles, for instance, they permit numerous travelers to hop in as well as out, where various other doors would need a squeeze. 2021 Tesla Model X specs claims they're invaluable for senior travelers too, as well as you can see why. Yet the doors can also be a problem, as well as there were times we did attempt to avoid using them. Failed to remember a bag in the back. Can't extend around and get it from the chauffeur's seat? Nope. Minutes later, seconds later, you have actually got your bag, yet observers think you're trying to display. Are they cool down? Yes. Are they helpful? In some cases. Maybe a Tesla Design X with one conventional door as well as one Falcon Wing would certainly be an appropriate halfway house. Also, when autopilot isn't engaged, Tesla continually encourages you on your closeness to other vehicles, and will also determine lorries as well as motorbikes in your path. That little detail assists to construct a component of trust in between you and the cars and truck, and indicates when you do make use of autopilot, you understand that Tesla has it covered. But it's not without mistakes. Lane modifications are a little uncomfortable when making use of autopilot. Nudge the indication, as well as it'll exchange lanes for you, as they seem to take an age, and also frequently lead to you doing the guiding on your own. What's more, road users with loose lane discipline can additionally scare Tesla into decreasing. 2021 Tesla Model X engine. The charging experience will greatly be established by where you remain in the nation and also what you do with your version X. The 2021 Tesla Model X spec supercharger network is expanding, as well as using one is exactly how all electrical vehicle charging should be. Plug it in and within seconds you can see the range boosting as it obtains a complete 120 kilowatts up its socket. Filling from vacant takes much less than 1 hour, as well as most customers will usually be topping up as opposed to overflowing their batteries. While you can get battery chargers installed in your house, we had the ability to finish journeys between Peterborough and London in addition to local tasks by just utilizing the superchargers at Diocesan Stortford heading up or down. Include the capability to bill at home and also at the workplace, and unless you're venturing extremely much, and also into an area of reduced charging insurance coverage, the range is rarely worth thinking of. It just functions. 2021 Tesla Model X specs spruced up the version X lineup for 2021, dropping the acquainted 75D, 100D, as well as P100D versions in favor of a streamlined framework. Version X comes geared up with a battery large enough to cover a declared 295-mile driving range. A high-performance variant is additionally used, which comes with a 289-mile variety and also a declared 0 to 60 mph time of 3.5 seconds. Not quick enough for you? For $15,000 even more, Tesla will unlock the version X's crazy setting, which reduces the acceleration time to an unbelievable 2.8 seconds. 2021 Tesla Model X specs. Handling is reputable, yet the Model X's party piece is really the solid velocity produced by its electric motors. Charging fast using one of Tesla's superchargers, which lie across the country. Charging in the house through a 240V or 120V link will be slower, however, might be more convenient for owners, so Tesla supplies in-home billing tools for acquisition.